Listings in BC are exploding. Some say it's the start of a panic sell-off. Is this the crack in the housing market that many have been waiting for? Right now, active listings in BC are hitting record highs. In Greater Vancouver alone, inventory is up 40% from last year, and the Fraser Valley's not far behind. Homes that used to sell in days are sitting for weeks, sometimes months. Posts on X are buzzing with talk of desperation and market bleed, pointing to a shift. Buyers are holding back and sellers are getting nervous. After years of sky-high prices, is the tide finally turning? Let's break down the key issues and what's driving this. Sales are sluggish. January 2025, we saw just a 6.4% bump, nowhere near enough to clear the pileup of homes. Prices are slipping. Average resale prices dropped 1% province-wide, with condos in Vancouver taking a bigger hit. Sentiment's tanking. People online are saying the market feels heavy, and investors who once fueled the boom are bailing. So what's the impact and consequences, or why should you at home care? This isn't just noise, it's your wallet on the line. If you're a homeowner, more listings could mean your property's value takes a dive, especially in urban hotspots like Vancouver or Victoria. First-time home buyers might see a window to snag a deal, but only if they can dodge the economic storm brewing. Think layoffs and tighter budget. And for investors, the days of quick flips and easy cash flow might be over. BC's market has been a wealth machine for years. This could flip the script entirely. So what's coming for BC? If listings keep climbing and sales stay flat, we could see prices drop 5 to 10% by summer, maybe more in condo-heavy zones. The Bank of Canada's rate cuts might cushion the fall, but don't count on it. A weaker economy could scare buyers off even with cheaper loans. Some ex-users are calling it a bloodbath waiting to happen. Others say it's a long overdue reset. Either way, 2025 shaping up to be a bit of a wild ride. So what do you think? Is BC's housing market crashing, or is this just a blip? Let me know in the comments and tell me what your next move is.